Cloud. Worst character in Smash. Just kidding, it's Joker. That's what I get. That's what I get. Hello everybody, it's Bronze Bruno, and welcome to Super Mario Maker 2. Now before we get into the video, I just want to say I'm sorry for not making videos about this sooner when I said I was going to. A few things and complications got in the way, but here I am now. And another thing, hold on, wait a minute, hold the phone! Can you believe I'm doing this a second time? I did record an hour and a half of the story mode, but it didn't record the audio on the capture card side because I had headphones plugged in, and I did not know that. So, an hour and a half's worth of video with no audio, and IOCD does not let me do that, or upload that. So, basically the story mode is, you had Peach's Castle made. Peach's Castle was destroyed by a dog, with the erase dog, with the erase button and all that. And, hang on. Okay. You have to rebuild it in story mode. Very sorry, I did not realize plugging in the headphones would not have it record through the capture card, but regardless, here I am now. I'm no job, just gaming! Here's all the ones I've done. Okay. Everyone's still trying. I've gotten 20% of it done. Thinking of changing the look of my rooms to something like this. Visitors have to get over the lava by floating in a dry bone shell. Pretty hardcore, eh? Alright. Oh, look at that big red! I'm so sorry. Oh well, the story mode's not really much. Really nice add-on to Super Mario Maker 2, though. Oh my god, it's Sans! Sorry, Sans. I'll die with you. Oh no, okay, they didn't come back. I thought they'd fall in. I guess not. Oh. Okay, here we go. Ow. Oh, okay. Take that! Oh! Nope. Need the shell for that. Bye. That was easy. That was like baby's first level. Okay, audio's not very loud. Alright. I hope the TV's not too loud. It's all I can do in order to hear it. It was either that or have a 2-second delay listening to the capture software. I really didn't want to do that. I got jobs! I got jobs! Hehe. I cast a twister spell in the desert. If you press B as you enter the twister, you'll be thrown skyward. Those who master the tempest will reap great rewards, a certain mage. Take care of there! Twisting through the desert sands. There we go. It took me a while to learn how to use the twisters, but you gotta press B as you're flying up in order to get the full height advantage. Oh. I must get the 30 coins! I missed it. I hate you. Okay. Oh, this is easy. Bop! Come on. probably something, hidden item there, but oh well. Oh. Get the mushroom. Oh. Oh no. Oh no. No, I want the power up. I'm have to go for it. Yes! I did. I got it. Okay. Oh, I got a life up too. 7 lives. I know you all came here for, like, the stupid levels people make, but hey, I just want to start off something simple. So, story mode it is. Oh, I got it. Almost have 600 coins. 24%. What do you got for me, Toadette? You adorable thing, you.
Check out the castle!
Yeah, I already got the first level finished in the main hall. It was almost done.
Looks like there aren't any other orders to give at the moment. In that case, do whatever you want. Take some jobs, chat with the crew, it's up to you. The first floor of my cell is complete. I want to take it to the second floor. Next, but we can't start until the second floor of the main hall is ready.
But I hate you, dog. You destroyed this whole castle. How about you, Blue Toad?
First floor needs all is complete. Alright, we'll get second floor needs all, but we need to finish the second floor of the main hall first. I can't eat another bite. Oh.
Squeak.
Hey kid, wanna help me out with a job? You help me out over this box that pipe over there.
Okay.
You target the time is 7 lava bubbles. What's that? You don't know how to take out lava bubbles? You want to pack your you want me to pack your lunch too? Don't worry so much, amigo. You'll figure it out.
Okay.
I'm counting on you.
Okay. You know, I'm still kind of worried about not having a storyline, not completing like an hour and a half of the storyline before I realize what would happen, but Super Mario Maker 2 is one of those games where you can literally just play from any part of the game and people will not mind whatsoever how much you skipped. Oh no. Oh. Let's destroy the lava blocks. There we go. I left one. One to tell the tale. Okay, how far we got? 8 minutes? Alright. 17. That was it?
That's what kid, I love those blocks now. Alright, you lousy bunch of blocks. This is gonna hurt me a lot more than it hurts you.
Audio. Okay. No, he's fine. I thought he was dead. I was like, no, don't do that. Oh, I completed the main hall. Okay.
Main hall 2 is complete.
This is stupid. Let's see what's in here. Oh, we got front part. Block. You blocky? Let me guess that game is blocky. Patrick!
Hello, I've time for a job. There's something good in it for you. We're in the market for a new house, and we need someone to inspect this place we found. Hit the exclamation box to climb to the top to check it out. You can also tilt down left stick down in midair to ground pound to get all the blocks out instantly. Patrick. Okay then.
Oh, 3D world, okay. Oh yeah, because the exclamation blocks, okay. Makes sense. World for the Switch. I'm hoping. I mean, I can still get it on the Wii U. they might just keep it on the Wii U because they had everything else on the Switch. So they might say 3D World was a Wii U exclusive. That would be understandable, but. Huh, didn't need it. Wait a second. How do I get that one? How do I get that one? There should be a way to get that one, but I don't know. Oh! I had it. Start over. I want those bonuses. I want them. Okay, here we go. Probably would have been better off if I died, but oh well. I would actually have been better off if I died. Oop. Oh well. Okay. I'm gonna wheel on everything. Yeah, everything's good. Okay, here's what you're supposed to do, that bullet bill. You're supposed to get the mushroom first. Extra 1,000 points, okay? You're supposed to. Push it off like so. That bullet bill will activate that. Which in turn... Oh shit, I gotta make sure it doesn't activate it again. Okay. Oh, yes. Sounds like the long jump from Mario Odyssey. Oh. Oh. Oh, 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 I saved myself. I'm not used to 3D World's jumps mechanics. Koopa. Hello, Koopa. Sorry. Oh. Oh. Oh, I got it. Okay. Ready? Can't fool me, game. I got you. There we go. Ready. Okay.
Collected 60 coins. Thank you. Alright, I'm gonna make something good. Buildy, buildy, roo, roo, miracle, roo.
Oh, Toad. That Toad is... Why is that Toad so sad?
Put a special question mark somewhere, wink.
Okay. Okay, let's go in.
Oh. Oh.
That was it for 10 coins? Oh, Toad, what's the matter? Oh! What kind of sound is that?
Mario, I need some more explanation blocks to get to the East Hall from here, but... Psst, Mario, can you keep it secret?
No.
Thanks, and good luck. The purple toad who makes the exclamation blocks hasn't arrived yet. I'm pretty sure the chief got the airship schedule wrong. Management, am I right? Anyway, let's bring the purple toad back here. Reach the goal with one toad in tow. Blow toad. Thanks in advance.
Okay. Reach the goal with one Toad. That Toad looks very sad. He's like,
Please help me.
oh. Give me that. I got twirlies at some. Oh! I hate myself. Hello, Purple Toad. I'm here to save you. Come here. Oh no. Oh. Oh. Purple Toad still lived. He can do it. 4 lives. Got a feeling I'm gonna be here a while. Oh. Considering I almost died at the first frickin' thing. Yeah, I'm gonna be here a while. Come here, Toad.
Yay!
Don't count your chickens yet. No, piss off, Luigi. I don't need your help. You guys missed it. In those first 3 parts, every time Luigi's like, oh, I was like, piss off, Luigi. My girlfriend said, she laughed her ass off in the other room every time she heard that. Oh. I did it again. Oh, no. Come back, Toad, I need you. Come back, okay, good. Oh. What's over here? Oh, thank you, mushroom. But yeah, I had Luigi asking for help. Oh, a lot of times. Oh. Oh no. Yeah, I got it.
Toad 92!
Don't forget Toad. I collected 56 coins.
Oh! Thanks for letting me spawn so suddenly into existence!
Oh, exclamation mark blocks. Oh, this is nice. You get 10 coins. No, you only get 1. You shithead. Go. Hey, Toad, how you doing, man?
Oh, amazing! I got into wrong airship. I blame the chief personally. But then it goes wrong, it's just the management's fault. But you didn't hear me say that. How can I stay with the rest of these tall the chief when you're ready to put it in the order?
Oh, here comes Red Toad.
Oh, I need your help.
Gotta go!
Not bad if the chief over here, so. I went off a budget and ran out of stone from hiking stairs. And of course, chief says we gotta use stone from the desert. I do it myself, but it's so heavy. Would you bring me some, Red Toad?
Reach your goal while holding a stone.
Hello!
What kind of noise is that? Hello! Your skull while holding a stone, okay. I hopefully can do that. Oh, that was easy. I was about to jump over that. Oh god, that is heavy as hell. Okay. I can see why he couldn't do this. Oh no. Oh! Oh! Got him. Forgot I could put the thing down. That stone's heavy. Of course, Jackson stones are heavy. Shut up. Oh, thank you. I needed that. Oh no, no. Wow, how did I know that was gonna happen? Oh, I see. Okay, he needs the stone. Come on, this way, little guy. Thank you. I can grab it from here. Now he's stuck. They set me up for this. No, Mario, you're so scared. Okay. Collected 28 coins. Oh, the top section's available now.
Thanks, Mario!
Let me get that 1 coin. Yeah. Let's go see him.
Oh, Mario, you got the stone next to you. You were able to build a staircase. That Chief, she's brilliant but troubled. Don't tell her I said that. I should get back to work. Talk to Chief when you're ready to build more. Toads are starting to sound like they're smokers now. Because my voice is... They can't keep it up forever. I got my news, Mario. The Chief's in my cloud because she said she needed it for something or other. I don't know why the Chief should hear this, so let me just whisper it in your ear. The Chief asked me to go get a Lagadu's cloud from the West Hall. Can you believe that? Who asked someone to do something that they don't want to do themselves? Oh, hey, can you go get me a Lagadu's cloud, Mario? Green Toad. Thanks, Mario! I'm counting on you! Oh, make sure the Chief doesn't hear.
Just go on Lakitu's cloud, okay? This shouldn't be too hard. I hope. Oh my. Five seconds in. Okay. Hope continues our thing. Oh, oh. 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 Sorry, I gotta clean myself. Where's to go on a Lakitu's cloud?
Oh yeah.
Shut up, Luigi! Go away! Oh. Oh. Oh, so close. So close, so close. Oh, oh, oh. Oh. You can't get the 10 coins. Sad. I just forgot the 10. Oh, how did I live? Forgot the 10 coins. It's the exact same spot every time. I keep hitting it. Okay, forget the frickin' 10 coins. Let's just get the Lakitu Cloud and complete this. Forget it, we'll go for it. Go, 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 go. Oh! I got it! I couldn't do it!
Oh yeah.
Luigi! I'm gonna break my damn screen. I didn't want you, Luigi. I might need his help, actually. Okay. Just going to Lakitu's cloud. Cloud. Worst character in Smash. Just kidding, it's Joker. That's what I get. That's what I get. Oh man. Comment section here. Here I come. Oh, oh no. Oh. Forget it. It's not worth it. Oh, got it. Okay. I was not going for that one space. I could not have done that. Okay, let's see here. Collected 8 coins.
Man, you must really suck to that one.
Oh, Cloud.
Hey, Mario.
No.
Oh! Thanks for getting me a new cloud, Mario. It's just so fluffy. I can't believe the Chief took my cloud. The Chief took my cloud. When I make Chief one day, things are gonna be different for the little guy. But don't tell the Chief I said that. I'm ready to start in the West Hall. Talk that to the Chief when you're ready to put the order in.
Okay, I think that's enough for one video. Well, Again, I'm sorry, I didn't realize there was no audio for it. I did not know. But regardless, I hope you guys enjoyed, and of course, thank you all for watching.